credit risk. Treasury bills are discounted instruments. Okay? If 1000 is the face value and 1 year maturity is discounted 3%, it means you can buy at 970. 3% 30 is the interest that is discounted. You can buy at 90. After 1 year, you will get 1000. For a 6-month treasury bill, the discounted at a rate of 4 means what? 40 is the yearly interest, but it is a 6-month treasury bill. So it is a what? 20 is the 6-month interest. So you can buy at 980. Treasury notes have a maturity of 1 to 10 years. Treasury bond, long term, normally about 10 year and what they say. But here, remember, we will not invest in treasury bond as it is because it's a long term instrument. But however, you can do it because you can sell it. No problem, you can invest here because you will not keep it for 10 years. There is a liquid market, you can sell it, you can pledge and get the money. So here, this treasury instruments, you can invest in the case of, let's say, your cash management purpose. Then you have seen, you remember the list, there was a list of securities, subordinated debt, senior debt, etc. Then you will come with federal agency securities, backed by the full faith and credit of US government. Let's say LIC of India in our case, it is owned by the government. State and local government issue securities. You can invest, you can consider investing in securities. Then you have repurchase options, agreements. I am in need of money, but I have the security, but I don't want to sell it now. Instead, what I can do, I can sell it to you with a promise that I will purchase back. So when I sell it to you, you will give me money. The security will be with you. But I promise right now, I will sell it to you for 100. Later, I will buy back with 102. 2 is your profit. You are not doing it for free. It comes with an interest. That is repo. Remember, Reserve Bank of India has reduced the repo rate. The banks can do this transaction with RBI. Sell it, buy back later. So it is basically a secured loan, in fact. I am selling it to you, the security is with you, or I can put in a custody. You have the right. You will lend 100. Later I will pay back 102. It is basically a collateralized loan. It's a secured and short-term loan. Repurchase agreement, repos. Maturities vary from overnight to few days. 1 day. I will pay back from here tomorrow. 2 days, week, like that you can do it. Then you have bankers' acceptance, which we already discussed when we discussed financing option. I discussed about the rice exporter, Kochi, exporting to Dubai. The Dubai party will be signing a promissory note. Bank will put the acceptance. Now it is traded on in the market because of the bank's name. So the same thing we discussed. You can read it. Commercial paper, unsecured, short term, and issued by companies with good credit rating. certificate of deposit. Let's say in earlier days, the company we can give money to a bank. FD certificate will be there. Similarly, companies can raise deposits through certificate of deposit called CDs. The yield is lower than commercial paper and bankers' acceptance. They are less risky, but they cannot be withdrawn before maturity without penalty. These are negotiable. It can be traded in the secondary market. Euro dollars outside United States. If I maintain a deposit in London in dollar with, let's say, Citibank, that is euro dollar deposits. Then I have money market mutual fund. I will invest in a mutual fund. That mutual fund will invest in all this money market security. And I can even write checks. Let's say they will have an option to write checks on the balance. This is all about money market instruments. What we will do, we will continue in the next class, let's say on Tuesday. And those who joined new, okay, our counselor will contact you. You are supposed to share your software access, okay, your email and software access password. We are going to monitor your software progress, okay.